All right, hi guys, it's here. Let's check it out. I've been waiting for this for so long. The official Star Wars Rise of Skywalker Galaxy Note 10. All right, so let's get this unboxed. It features Kylo Ren, which in my personal opinion is the best Star Wars character. Some collector's cases, I think like some metal die cast. We're gonna see what's inside this box, plus it's the Note 10 Plus with the beautiful screen. All right, let's check this out and let's get this unboxed. All right, so let's take a close look at this box right here. This features Kylo Ren's new helmet. You can kind of see right with the detail right there. Those are those welded marks where he breaks his helmet, puts it back together. Disney or whoever licensed this, wow, look at that. It just covers that. I'm pretty sure once we take this out, it'll have his full helmet under this cloak. And officially licensed from Disney and Lucasfilm. Into this box, right? When you take off his cloak, just as I thought, I'll show you the dark side, right printed on the box. Pretty cool. And there you go, that's all that welding. It's a pretty cool looking mask for arguably controversial new sequel series. All right, let's open this up for the first time. And there you go, folks, Star Wars. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the box right there. This looks like entry into space, kind of like those credits that come down. Star Wars, The Rise of Skywalker. In theaters today, actually. Okay, so let's check out this case. I like that Samsung includes its own case. Little Kylo Ren helmet side view right there. It feels kind of light, pleathery. There's this nice textured feel right there, and there's the First Order insignia. I like these little cutouts right there. Now the Note 10 Plus does not have a headphone jack this year. Pretty sad to say. Here. Look at this. This is, what do you call this? The collector's badge. Official Kylo Ren helmet. I'm sure Darth Vader would have been more popular. Rise of Skywalker. Nice cold feel. Little collector's chip. See how it's raised right there? And all those nice, cool welded marks. What a cool looking helmet. I'm glad they brought it back. Let's put that aside. Ship. It's packaged with a screen protector. Do not remove it. SIM ejector tool. I think you can just pull this out like a drawer. This is the coolest drawer feature. Look at that. This compartment comes completely out. The Note 10 there and the Galaxy Buds. Start with the Buds. Same cool insignia. Looks like we're on not the Death Star, but whatever new Death Star that they had. Special edition at all. I suspect they're not. Probably just your standard Buds, just like that. All right. Let's close that. The money maker, folks. And you have your Note 10 here, so let's go ahead and get this set up. For like a mainstream device, I'd say the Samsung Note 10 Plus has the best screen. All right, it's a little airtight. Let's get this open. Look at that. Note 10 Plus, get this out carefully. Okay, what's special about this Note 10? Look at that. It has the First Order insignia right there and red accents right on that camera tip and on the volume rocker. If this doesn't scream collectible first edition Star Wars Rise of Skywalker phone, I don't know what does. And let's look at this best part right here. What do we think the stylus is? There you go. Red Sith Lord lightsaber stylus. That is so cool. Put that back in. You have the hole punch, front facing camera. Same thing, SD card slot all on the top, excluding the headphone jack. There you go. Take this off. This, I suspect, will become a fingerprint magnet. Let's order Star Wars Special Edition now with this Kylo Ren case. And there you go. Now it has this nice, soft, pleather look appeal. And you can see those accents. That's about those volume rockers. Well, actually that volume rocker is closed. All right, first time it's on. They even customized the noises. Look at that entry screen right there. Wow, look at that helmet. Pretty fast setup as long as I didn't restore data. Look at this, Dark Side RC. Wow, custom noises that make it sound just like the Star Wars universe. All right, so let's check out the out of the box experience, which in my opinion was pretty fast. Start off with this wallpaper right here. That looks like a, what, is it a Death Trooper? Clone Trooper? A red background? That doesn't look like Kylo Ren's helmet. Okay, you have the custom phone icons. Let's listen closely to those in-device things. So that noise is notifications, it looks like right here. Oh, this is really cool. All right, let's press this. Put it close to the mic. Is there? It's a Samsung camera. Snap our first photo. Photo's the same noise. All right, what else do they got? Skin. Look at that. That's the lightsaber in and out motion. Your contacts button. So you see all these custom, this looks like a droid right there. That's your internet browser. Look at that. Contacts are those red, probably Death Troopers right there. Click that. What else we got? The clock has that nice kind of Sith Lord tech on there. The camera icon, the calendar. See these icons, messages, the phone, the calculator itself looks droid-like, and your settings app. All right, settings, and notice that everything has this grid-like screen. I'll make this as loud as I can. Let's do the system as loud as possible. All right, let's do it again. Let's pull out our pen for the first time. That's really cool. All the actions we can take. There you go. Alright, double press to switch the cameras, gestures, next mode. I'm pretty sure I won't be using any of these things. Let's try it again. Alright, so let's play with the keyboard a little bit. So each key almost has a different noise. Ringtone. That's notification noise. A lock sound right now. Alright, that's a lock sound. Let's dial. That's a regular noise. Alright, and this is it, Star Wars Rise of Skywalker, the official phone from Samsung, Disney, Star Wars, the Galaxy Note 10 Plus right here. You see Kylo Ren, his helmet welded together, nice and red, plus the leather case that has his helmet as well. Look at that red accent along the camera right there. And the best part is the whole system is tuned with the Star Wars custom noises. Take a look at this. All right, really cool sounds. Your smart stylus right there. We're watching the trailer. Custom UIs and noises that we went over. Let's put this back in, put the lightsaber away. All right, and even the back of this is the First Order symbol right there. Look at that. Star Wars, and the red accents continue, although it's covered in the case, with the Bixby button or the lock button and the volume rocker on the side. It's the same Note 10 Plus that's been out on the market, but this is just skinned and themed with red, along with all its custom icons and its custom wallpaper, ringtone noises that we played as well. Comes with a custom collector's badge that's raised right there, same welded red helmet, Star Wars Rise of Skywalker. collectible badge tin, along with the Galaxy Buds, and probably the best part of this box right here. Where you take it off, you see his helmet. I'm gonna open this, I'll show you the dark side, I'll show you the inside of this box. Star Wars themes, I put this back in, and all this little drawer right here that all comes conveniently packed with. All right, so with that everybody, I'm gonna go play and use this phone as we watch Star Wars Rise of Skywalker. I hope it's good. No spoilers for me, but meanwhile, in the theater I can go in and out. What if it had like cool little, like that blade handguard right there? All right, so thanks so much for watching this unboxing, checking out this new phone, the Galaxy series. Let me know what kind of videos you want for the end of the year. Thank you so much for supporting the channel, and we'll see you in the next video. All right, guys, thanks so much. Time to play.